Good morning. Hi everyone. My name is Sahil Singh and right now I have a very good execution video for you all. I will be uploading the edited version of this execution video in my Instagram and Discord basically. But I have to explain this execution because it is too good, right? So what I did here is that first of all, like my mentor has said that you should be following time and price, right? So whenever you are trading, make sure that you are following the time element, which is the macro, and the price element, which we all do every time, right? So, like in front of you, I have denoted two things, right? The first is the daily consequent encroachment, which is right over here. I have delineated the whole wick, right? This is the wait a minute. This is the upper wick right over here. This is the upper wick, or you can say that this is the daily buy side, right? The upper quadrant, basically. This is the mid area, the AK consequent encroachment, and this is the lower wick, right? Now, what I have done here is that I have got this swing here, right? So I have just denoted this whole swing. This is the premium area and this is the discount area. My mentor has said that whenever you are attacking on any PDRs, whenever you are buying, make sure that you are just buying in the discount area. So we are actually buying in the discount area, but we cannot just go and just buy in the discount area. We should have some framework. We should have some support of other PDRs, right? So we have a busy over here, and we also have a wick over here. Plus we also have balanced area over here. Plus we also have one more thing here, which is the time element. That is the hour and macro, right? Now that is the reason why I have just purchased it right over here, right? And that is the reason why this sell side should be safe, right? It shouldn't be attacked, right? At least not now. And now you can see that if I just zoom in into this busy here, now you can see that first the market used this busy and this wick. My mentor has said that if you have two PDRAs which are overlapping or they are in close proximity to each other, that's a high probability PDRAs, right? Now you can see that the support in the consequent encroachment, aka midline of this BC, right? Market moved up, and you have one more BC here, and price is successfully like for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. Market the has support. This BC has supported this whole market, right? The small BC, right? It has formed a time distortion right over here in a 15-second chart, right? Now we went up. There's one more buy here, dip into this fair value gap, and bang, it just moved up, right? The bread and butter setup would be the engineer liquidity, which is right over here. This one, this is the bread and butter setup, the engineer liquidity to attack, right? Once we got this level out, just take your partial, but we have a breakaway gap here. Specifically, it's a measuring gap because it just gives you a measured move, right? It forms in the middle of this whole swing, right? It's gonna give you the measured move, right? So it's a breakaway gap. Specifically, it's a measuring gap, right? Once it is formed, you should be having confidence that the market will move up, right? You can just take this gap and do the STD standard deviations, right? And you will just get the area where you will just get the precision where the market will reach, right? And market has successfully went up and attacked the consequent closement, the daily consequent closement right over here, right? This was all about trading, right? And the time element was actually the hour in macro, which is right over. You can see that this the end of 18 and the start of 19, right? So 7 o'clock a.m. and white time, UTC minus 4, right? So this was the whole execution video. I have just explained each and everything what I did here, right? I will be uploading the edited version of this execution in my Discord, right? Till then, take care and stay safe.